Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantella V, and I'm back with another one. So, this is just a video, like a skincare type video. I will explain more once you keep watching, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. Okay, hit that bell so you know you get notifications. I'm sorry, I'm looking down. I'm over here trying to mix this stuff up. So, just continue watching. Why not, you know? All right, I'll see you in a little bit. So today I will be doing this DIY, turmeric face mask. It has turmeric in it, honey, and aloe vera. So that's all that's in there. It's going to be like a little mask. So I'm going to go ahead and go put it on my face. And then I will come back and we can chit chat some more. So give me a second. So I changed my mind. I decided I'm going to do this actually on camera. Just so you guys. So my trouble spots is of course here, my cheeks, my chin, and sometimes like my forehead. This mark here is actually from when I was in the hospital, but it went away before, so hopefully it go away again. So now it's just a scar. So I'm hopefully, along with it, it'll lighten it up. So turmeric is in here with a little face mask. It's all in here. So I just stirred it up real good and put it on my face. If you hear any toys or anything, Cam, because that Cam woke up, so he's in his crib and stuff playing with his toys. Hi, honey. I love him. I do. All right. Let's apply this stuff. Of course, I'm not putting it on my lip or nothing because I don't know, my burn. So I will be doing this. I'm gonna start just for 5 days. I'm gonna take pictures like after I take the mask off every day. I'm just, and then if I see maybe a little thing, like a little improvement, maybe I'll do it for like another 5 days or a week or something. I'm glad I put this old shirt on because it's just flashing everywhere. And this headband, of course, so I won't get on my hair. So we will do that. And of course, I will let you guys know, keep you all updated. So I did wash my face and I did a peel off mask before doing this, just to kind of open up my pores. I'm gonna get it on my eyebrows because I hurt something. So I don't know how bad it's saying, but I don't got that. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna stain my hair. My eyebrows bad. It is. Pretty sure I can wash it off. But just so I don't have to. I'm not sure. Again, it's not sure. Okay. I think we are covered. A piece just went down my shirt. Camera. That's what that is. I'm back. So sorry, trying to close stuff. So I heard it leaves like a yellowish, orangish, whatever tint on your face. I don't see it, but I'm sure it's there. So I got me a little cotton pad, and I sprayed some rose water I made on it. So I'm just gonna wipe my face with that. I guess to get the rest of it off. Yeah, there's a lot on there. Yeah, it basically took out my whole cotton pad. And my nails look a little nasty looking now. I'm gonna do one more cotton pad. I'm gonna spray it. So for my rose water, all I really did was take some, what did I use? Some rose leaves, petals, and soak them in some witch hazel and some water. So I kind of diluted it. I look crazy. All right, I think we are good. Yeah. So that is that. This is the, I guess, the clean turmeric face. So again, my trouble spots are, of course, if you can see here, my chin, and underneath my chin, and like this side. Forehead, my forehead is usually fine. So maybe I need to look up like these spots and see exactly like what could be causing them. Again, I think is kind of was hormonal, especially since it kind of happened like right after I had Cam. My face kind of haywire. So since my body, I seem like it's trying to get back in, to neutral, but of course they say it takes a little over a year for everything to get back in check. So hopefully by next year or way before then, everything will be back. My face will be back clear. And I gotta worry about it no more. So that is the plan. So this is day 1. My face, of course, I'm gonna take a picture. So at the end of the 5 days, we can do a before and an after, or before and after, whatever, whichever side we put it on. All right. So again, this is day 1. See you at day 2. All right. So this is day 2. Got the mask on. It's been on for about 5 minutes, so I'll be taking it off here soon. I don't know, I feel itchy. I got some of my skin, and I feel a little itchy in my arm. I don't know. So, like I said, day 2. I'm about to wash it off in a few minutes. I'm gonna give it like another 2 minutes, and I'm going to wash it off. So, I have taken it off, and of course, I did my rose water over after I took it off, and this is just tea tree oil that I put on my face because I don't like my face feeling dry. Just keep it moist all day. Plus, tea tree oil have some good benefits for skin. So, and I'll have the benefits of the tea tree oil in the description box below. So that is it. All right, so this is day 2. I don't know if any difference. So yeah. So we will get ready and I will show you day 3. Just stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all not doing this, Okay, so this is day 3. Got my nose strip on. And I'm just cleaning up the yellow residue with my rose water. Only difference I have seen so far is throughout the day my face feels so much smoother. It doesn't feel like as rough, I guess you could say, to touch, but I've been trying to not touch my face, and I haven't really seen any new pimples or anything, so maybe it's working, maybe something else, I don't know. I'm sure the tea tree oil I use. I use this tea tree oil. I'm not sure where I got it, but yeah, this is what I use on my face after I am done. Okay, so my mask is on. So again, I do 5 to 10 minutes, most likely be 10 minutes because I usually do stuff like while it's on my face. So like I was saying, I haven't really seen a difference in like the spots. I'm gonna go back, look at some pictures, maybe of a month or so ago, maybe. Cause I was not taking pictures after each treatment. So I'm gonna look at the first one, and I'm gonna go from the first one to, I'm gonna take one today, which is 5 days, and I'm going to take one on the 7th day. So maybe I'll see a difference, but like I was saying, the difference I really seen is just how my skin feels overall, and that I haven't had any, like, I guess new pimples, any breakouts. So I guess that's good. I guess it's working somewhere, maybe not where I wanted to, but maybe it's a start of something, maybe it's something I need to incorporate maybe once a week, 2-3 times a week, something, I don't know. So yeah, So I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for my 10 minutes, and I will be back when it is over. I think that's it. Okay. Let's go ahead and put in my tea tree oil on my face. Everything's washed off. Went over with over my face with the witch hazel and rose water. Okay, here we are at day 7. Did I scare you? I don't know. Okay. Last day. Probably not the last day, just because I have seen some little improvement just based off of, like I said, in my previous days, my skin, like the acne and stuff. So I might go ahead and just maybe incorporate it maybe once a week, maybe twice if I get to it, because you know, mommy barely get to do much, you know, without my little sidekick, right, Tank? Right? Yeah. So like I said, my trouble spots were my cheeks here, and my chin, and sometimes my forehead, barely. But when it does come, it comes like with a vengeance. Like, hey girl, we ain't seen you in a while. Let's pop up on your forehead. That's how my forehead works. But usually it's when my hair is like really dirty, or if I'm wearing my hair like on my face and stuff. So I guess the oil and all that stuff. But I try to be mindful of that. So I will go ahead and post the pictures of day 1 versus day to day. Maybe I'll see a difference. Maybe not. I haven't looked at the pictures yet side by side. So when I go and edit this, we will go ahead and see. Like I said, I see a difference just based off the smoothness. Just like looking behind the camera in the mirror, I can see like a difference just based off of how smooth it looks. So maybe that's something. Maybe I need to do a little bit more research and see what's up with it. Yeah, I'm recording. You don't care? He doesn't care. All right, so yeah, so like I said, day 7, you will have the pictures at the end. I will also put a in the description box, put everything else I also use just to normally wash my face and my regular skincare stuff, just in case you might like it, you might want to try it. Hey, you never know. All right, so until next time, you guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You will see more of me and more of Cameron. That's when you look in there. No? Okay. So, yes, if you'd like to see more content from us, subscribe. Subscribe, like, let us know what you like about the videos. Let us know what you don't like. I mean, everybody having room for improvement, so let us know. We still small. We trying to get big, you know. All right, so until next time, see ya later. Pieces, deuces, loves. Say bye.